For this problem, instead of giving us the polynomial function and asking us to make a graph, they're giving us a graph, and then they're going to ask us to make a polynomial function based on the things that we see. So if you look at the given stuff, they're telling us that the graph to the right is a complete graph and it is continuous. So remember, to be a polynomial function, it has to be smooth and continuous, and of course it is right here. It displays the function's end behavior, which means that it goes down forever and it goes up forever, so it falls to the left. That's the end behavior. It falls to the left and it rises to the right. And then they tell us that all the zeros are integers. So the zeros are going to be where the graph crosses the x-axis. So right here, that 0 has to be an integer, so it's not going to be a fraction. And we have another 0 right here, and that's going to be an integer. Now, this stuff right here is telling me about this graph window. It's saying that the window goes from -6 to +6, and that each tick mark is 1. So we could really label it if we wanted: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and then of course -6. And going the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now they're also telling us that the bottom of the graph is at -10. So right here is -10, and it goes up to 60, and each tick mark is an increment of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, so we have everything we need to answer the questions. Part A, list the zeros whose multiplicity is even. Now remember, even is going to bounce. Okay, it is going to touch the x-axis and turn around. And if you look, that's going to be this one right here. So the zero whose multiplicity is even is 3. List the zeros whose multiplicity is odd. And an odd 0 is going to cross the x-axis. And that's exactly what we see right here. See, the graph crosses. So list the zero whose multiplicity is odd is going to be -4.